Hello, everyone, and welcome to the show. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to speak English in your daily life? But maybe you feel a little nervous. You think, what do I say? What if I make a mistake? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we are talking about small talk. Small talk is the simple, polite conversation we have every day. And by the end of this episode, you will have the secret keys. I will give you the simple, easy phrases to talk to anyone, anywhere, about anything. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start at the easiest place to practice, the coffee shop. We all need coffee, right? This is perfect practice. Imagine you walk in, the staff smiles and asks, "What can I get for you today?" You can say, "Hello, can I have one coffee, please?" Simple, polite. They might ask, "A hot coffee or an iced coffee?" You choose, "An iced coffee, please." Then they ask, "What size?" "A medium, please." See? Easy answers. What if they ask, "Anything else? A cookie?" You can say, "Oh, a cookie sounds nice. Yes, please." Or, if you don't want it, "No, thank you. Just the coffee." When you pay, you can ask, "How much is it?" Or just give your card. When you leave, always say, "Thank you. Have a wonderful day." And they will say, "You too." See? You just had a full, successful conversation in English. Okay, next level. The clothing store. This is a little more difficult, but still easy. You walk in, a staff member asks, "Can I help you?" Maybe you are shy. You don't want help. You can say, "No, thank you. I'm just looking." "I'm just looking." This is a magic phrase. It means I want to be alone and look at the clothes. But what if you do need help? You can say, "Yes, please. I am looking for a t-shirt." "I am looking for," this is so useful. "I am looking for a blue shirt." "I am looking for a new hat." Okay, you find a shirt you like. Now, the three magic questions. Question 1. Can I try it on? This means you want to wear it to check the size. They will say, "Yes, the fitting room is over there." Question 2. How much is it? This means, what is the price? They will say, "It is $15." Question 3. If you like it, you say, "Great, I'll take it." "I'll take it" means I want to buy it. You pay, you say, "Thank you," and you leave. You are now a shopping expert. This next situation can be scary. You are in a new city. You are lost. Oh no! Don't panic. The first words are always, "Excuse me." This is the polite way to stop a kind person. "Excuse me, I have lost. Can you help me?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the train station? Where is the museum? Where is the bathroom?" A very important question. Most people are very happy to help. They will give you simple directions. Go straight means walk this way. Turn left means this way. Turn right means this way. The station is on the right. Just listen for straight, left, and right. Then you say, "Thank you so much." See, not so scary. Okay, this is the big one, the boss level of small talk. Meeting a new person at a party or in a new class. You are nervous. I am nervous. We are all nervous. But it is easy. Just smile and start with, "Hello, my name is." Then you ask simple questions. "What is your name?" "Nice to meet you." "Do you live here?" "What do you do?" This means, what is your job? "I am a teacher." "I am a writer." Wow, that is interesting. Now, my favorite secret question. If the conversation stops, ask this. What do you do in your free time? This is a question about hobbies. People love to talk about their hobbies. I play the guitar. I read books. I like to go hiking. When you find a hobby you both like, you have a new friend. You play the guitar. That is so cool. I love music. See? Now you are really talking. You have a new friend. Now let's make a plan. You can call them on the phone. Ring, ring. Hi, friend's name. Are you free on Saturday? Are you free on? This is the key phrase. If they say yes, you say, do you want to go to the park? Do you want to? This is an invitation. That is a great idea. I would love to. Then you plan the time and place. What time is good for you? Where should we meet? Let's meet at 2 p.m. at the big clock tower. See you on Saturday. You have a plan. What if they are busy? Are you free on Saturday? Oh, I'm sorry, I am busy on Saturday. You say, oh, okay, no problem. What about Sunday? It's okay to be busy. Just be polite. Okay, here is the easiest small talk trick in the world. When you are waiting for a bus or in an elevator, it is quiet. You want to say something. Talk about the weather. It is so easy. It is a beautiful day today, isn't it? Yes, it is beautiful. Very sunny. That's it. You are talking. What if the weather is bad? Oh, it is so cold today. Yes, it is. Brr. I need my coat. I can't believe this rain. I know. It is raining so much. Everyone understands the weather. You had a great conversation. Now, how do you leave? Please don't just walk away. That is not polite. It's easy to say goodbye. First, give a reason. Well, I have to go now. Or, it is getting late. Then say something nice. It was nice to talk to you. Or, I enjoyed our chat. And finally, goodbye. See you later. My favorite is, have a nice day. Or, have a great weekend. This is friendly, polite, and happy. And that is our guide to small talk. We learned how to get coffee, buy clothes, ask for directions, meet new people, make plans, talk about the weather, and say goodbye. You see, small talk is not scary. It is a simple, friendly game. And the most important rule is to try. You don't need perfect English. A simple hello and a big smile is the perfect start. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you had fun practicing with us. And now we have a question for you. In the comments below, please tell us, where do you practice your English? Do you practice at a coffee shop? Do you practice at work or at the park? Writing in the comments is also great practice. We would love to read your stories. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that like button if this episode was helpful for you. Share it with your friends. Let's all learn together. Okay, I have to go now. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye for now. See you in the next episode.